Hey everybody, I'm Chef Tom with allthingsbbq.com, and this is grilled shrimp spring rolls. Well, today we're back on the summer eats. We're doing grilled shrimp spring rolls. They're light, bright, and fresh, and the great thing is these grill up quick. You make a big batch of them and throw them in the fridge, and you've got snacks and lunches for days. Now the first thing we gotta do is get our shrimp in some marinade. So we're starting with a pound of jumbo shrimp. These have been obviously peeled, tails are off. That's going into our briner bucket, and we're gonna soak these in our smoke on wheels pork marinade, which might sound a little strange, pork and shrimp. Nah, that's not that strange. But honestly, this is a great combination. It's got apple juice in it, it's got pineapple juice in it, soy sauce, all things that you might think to use as a marinade for shrimp anyway. About a cup of that, just enough to kind of cover it up, and then we're gonna let these soak for about half an hour. Now while that shrimp's soaking, we're gonna fire up the grill. And today we're cooking on the Yoder Smoker's Flattop adjustable charcoal grill. Just one chimney of charcoal will be all we need to get us through cooking our shrimp. So we've got the chimney loaded up with lump charcoal. Just gonna hit a fire starter down here. We'll let these coals get going. The charcoal's red hot to the top now, so we're gonna dump it out. And we'll throw our grate on here. Let's go get the shrimp skewered up. All right, shrimp are coming straight out of the marinade and onto our skewers. These just flat bamboo skewers that we've been soaking in water for, I don't know, about half an hour or so, just so they don't totally burn up when they hit the grate. I go through each one of these twice. And with the flat bamboo skewer, they shouldn't do any turning when you flip them. They stay in place pretty nice. All right, so next we're gonna hit these with a little seasoning. We're using the pineapple head seasoning. Now this has got raw sugar in it, salt, a little chili powder, some warming spice, really interesting kind of tropical flavors. And then we're gonna get these right over the hot coals. So we're starting to get some color. That sugar's caramelizing on the outside here. We don't wanna let that go too far, but one of the great things about the flat top grill is if we need to, we can always just pop these coals down a little bit. So we're looking to just get these cooked through till they're opaque in the center. We'll take a closer look at this. So if you look at these shrimp right where they're split right there, you shouldn't see any more pink right in the middle. Opaque all the way through and they're done. And we're gonna let that shrimp cool down before we start building these spring rolls. And we're gonna look at some of the other ingredients you wanna add, mostly just looking at really fresh, bright stuff. So today we've got some cucumbers, some carrots, some green onions, cilantro, and then we've got these vermicelli bean thread noodles. These just need to be soaked in some really hot water, so that's what we're gonna do now. So this water was just boiling, and I'm just gonna drop these in here and let them soak just until they're softened here for a few minutes. Kind of agitate them to break them up a little bit as they soften. All right, our noodles are softened now, so we're gonna take those out. Then I'm gonna hit them with just a little bit of sesame oil to keep them from sticking. So let's go ahead and bring it all together. We've got our rice paper here. We're just gonna soak it in some warm water just until it becomes pliable. We're almost there. About 10-15 seconds maybe. We'll lay that out on our board. And then we're gonna start loading this up with our fillings. Let's go ahead and get some noodles in there. Do a little cucumber. Some carrots. Green onion. And cilantro. And then our shrimp on top. Adjust that with just a little bit more sesame oil and some mango habanero hot sauce. I'm gonna roll that, fold it. There we go. All right, last one now. This is certainly one of those things that takes some practice to get good at it. And I know I'm not great at it yet, that's for sure. But you do a couple batches of these and you'll start feeling pretty good about it. So we're gonna do a little dipping sauce too. The Kim spicy peanut sauce. It goes so great with these flavors. A lot of flavor going on there. A lot of freshness. Get a nice little bit of smokiness off the shrimp just from that quick time on the grill. Man, the cucumbers are so fresh. Getting that peanut sauce, it's sweet, it's spicy. The hint of sesame oil that's kind of coating everything in there. These are great little snacks, especially on a hot day like today. You want something fresh, you want something light. You can save these for later. Roll them up individually in plastic wrap, stick them in the fridge, and pull them out when you need them. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out allthingsbbq.com for all the products featured in today's video. If you enjoy the recipe, hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions or comments or there's anything you'd like to see me cook, let me know in the comment section down below, and let's be good to one another. For more recipes, tips, and techniques, head over to allthingsbbq.com/thesauce. All things barbecue, where barbecue legends are made.